Hello everyone, welcome to Online Technique. Dear viewers, look at the screen. The speed of my PC's mouse pointer is very slow. As a result, it is not possible to work fast due to low speed. Let's solve the problem easily now. First of all, go to the left side corner bottom of the screen and click in the search box and type in the search box settings. After typing, press enter key from the keyboard. Then you will see this interface, or click on the start button. Then click on the settings. Then you will see same interface. Now click on devices. Later go to the left side and click on mouse option. Then you will see this interface. Now go a little to the right and see there is an option called cursor speed. See, here is a bar to increase and decrease the speed of the mouse pointer. Now keep the mouse pointer on the bar and go to the right side by dragging the mouse. If you go to the right, the speed of the cursor will increase, and if you go to the left, the speed of the mouse pointer will decrease. Now look at the screen. I am going to do the tasks. If you place this speed bar at the right end, the speed of the mouse pointer will increase. This means you can move the mouse pointer faster. On the other hand, if you place this bar at the left end, the speed of the mouse pointer will decrease. See, I have kept the speed bar at the right end. Now see, I can move the mouse pointer very fast. Dear viewers, in this way you can increase and decrease speed of the mouse pointer easily. Thanks for watching the video to the end.